Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Moshiur Rahman. Dear viewers, welcome to Moshiur English, a channel for teaching English language and literature. Okay, let's come to the point. Dear students, today I am going to teach you about exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? The sentence which expresses sudden feeling about something is called exclamatory sentence. For example, how fine the bird is. Okay, let me write on the whiteboard. Exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory sentence. The sentence which expresses sudden feeling about something is called exclamatory sentence. For example, dear student, I have already written the definition of exclamatory sentence. The sentence which expresses sudden feeling about something is called exclamatory sentence. For example, how fine the bird is. It is a happy feeling. Dear students, I have written one sentence to give the example. How fine the bird is. If you analyze the sentence, you'll find it's a sudden feeling and it's a happy feeling. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Since this sentence indicates sudden feeling, it is an exclamatory sentence. Besides, whenever we see the exclamatory sign or exclamatory mark in any sentence, that is exclamatory sentence. To example, alas, he died. Sad feeling. Dear students, I have already written another sentence to give the example. Alas, he died. If you analyze this sentence, you'll find this sentence indicates sad feeling. So this is an exclamatory sentence. Besides, you find an exclamatory mark here. So this is an exclamatory sentence. The next example, why he is so base. Shameful feeling. Dear students, I have already written another sentence to give the example. Why he is so base. If you analyze this sentence, you will find it's a shameful feeling. Why he is so base. Besides, you will find the exclamatory mark here. So it is an exclamatory sentence. The next example, The next example, tut tut, you are again here. Annoying feeling. Dear students, I have already written another sentence to give the example. Tut tut, you are again here. Tut tut, you are again here. This sentence indicates an annoying feeling. It's a sudden feeling and it's an annoying feeling. So, this is an exclamatory sentence. Besides, you'll find the exclamatory mark here. So, it is also an exclamatory sentence. The next example, oh, she has stolen the mobile set. Oh, she has stolen the mobile set. She has stolen the mobile set. It's a wondering feeling, surprising feeling. Dear students, if you analyze this sentence indicates surprising feeling. Oh, she has stolen the mobile phone. Oh, she has stolen the mobile phone. This indicates a surprising feeling. So, this is an exclamatory sentence. Dear students, that's all. If you have any question, you can ask me writing in the comment box. If you would like to know about exclamatory sentence in detail, watch the next videos one by one. Thank you very much for watching the video. For more videos, subscribe the channel. Allah Hafiz.